Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Nan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about excursion. It will be very useful in your daily life. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. And let's start our course today. So first of all, let's look at these two new characters. We haven't learned 教 before, but we have learned 游 before, which means play or have fun. 教 here. Okay, so first of all, we have to look at these two new characters. We have learned 游 before, which means travel or playing. 郊 means in the suburb. So 郊游 excursion. 郊游郊游郊游 So first, suburb 郊外 外 means outside. So suburb and outside. 郊外郊外郊外 And picnic 野餐 Read after me. 野餐野餐 Picnic mat 野餐垫野餐店野餐店 And then box lunch 便当便当 This is directly translated from a sound of Japanese 便当便当 And then water cup 水杯水杯水杯 Anyway, it's cup, but in Chinese we call it water cup. And then lunchbox 饭盒 In Chinese, it is literally cooked rice box. But of course, we didn't only take rice go out for a picnic, but we just call it 饭盒. Anyway, 饭 this character can conclude everything we eat, like vegetables, meat, anyway. 饭盒 Barbecue 烧烤烧烤烧烤 Barbecue rack 烧烤架烧烤架烧烤架 Roast meat 烤肉烤肉烤肉 Sun hat 遮阳帽 In Chinese, it is cover sun hat. 遮阳帽遮阳帽 Hammock 吊床吊床吊床 And fishing 钓鱼钓鱼钓鱼 Fishing rod 鱼竿鱼竿鱼竿 Fish line 鱼线鱼线鱼线 Bait 鱼饵鱼饵鱼饵 Camp 野营野营野营 And then tent 帐篷帐篷帐篷 Bonfire 篝火篝火篝火 Mountaineering 登山登山登山 Mountaineering bag, you just add a bag 包 after it 登山包登山包登山包 flatten And then climbing shoes. 登山鞋，登山鞋，登山鞋。Alpenstocks. 登山杖，登山杖，登山杖。And kettle, bottle. Anyway, 水壶，水壶，水壶。So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. I hope you enjoyed some review, and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go to our website, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. See you in the next video. Bye.
春天是很适合郊游的季节，野外万物复苏，有各种漂亮的鲜花和蝴蝶。野餐的午饭通常都是自己准备，可以感受其中乐趣。